Prepare to be enchanted by this palatial haven of luxury. As you step inside, the open concept first floor beckons with its exquisite coffered ceilings and gleaming oak floors. But wait, there's more. Not one, not two, but 4 fireplaces grace the formal living room and dining room. The kitchen? A masterpiece in itself. Adorned with state-of-the-art Wolf, Bosch and Sub-Zero appliances, it's a haven for culinary enthusiasts. The custom cabinetry, decked out with modern hardware, lends an air of sophistication that's nothing short of captivating. Venture downstairs, where radiant heat caresses your every step, ensuring warmth and comfort. This level boasts a laundry room, an extra-large bedroom perfect for guests, and a unique 5th bedroom transformed into a custom golf simulation and exercise room. But there's more magic upstairs. The second level reveals 3 spacious bedrooms, each a haven of relaxation. The king-sized master suite is a sanctuary in itself, featuring his and hers closets, a marble gas fireplace, and a spa-quality bathroom complete with radiant floor heating. Convenience is key here, with an additional laundry room and ample storage space. As if that weren't enough, the top floor offers a perfect office space with direct access to a custom rooftop deck. Step outside and you'll find a paved patio with a wood-burning fireplace, providing the perfect setting for cozy evenings. Convenience meets community, as you can walk to Whole Foods. Everything you need is within reach. This home is more than just a residence. It's a masterpiece of luxury living, and it's waiting for you. Don't let this dream escape. Seize it now.